It says that there's alligators in the waterways and the trails. Johnny. Oh.
We are here at the campsite in Florida down here, and I'm training Biddy at the dump station.
I know, right?
Thing sitting on his head because the cylinders quit working on it. Now he's gonna hold it. You can't hold it with one hand though, you need two.
What?
You can't hold it with just one hand, you need two.
I know.
Hey,
I
how you
about
doing?
3 more arms.
Good.
That's tight. Mama.
Julie eating. We are at Falling Waters State Park here in Florida State Park, and it's actually our little dog Gracie P. Actually,
Mama, look.
we are here.
You're not tangled up.
She's getting herself tangled up.
Hey, Gracie. Oh, no.
Oh, no, Gracie. Wait a minute.
Gracie.
She's just not too Gracie, is she? Now watch this. Look at her run. Boy, she can fly. Look at that. Bring her back, John.
Hey, don't let her get hurt. She might face plant.
Wow, she can run fast. Look at there. I didn't think a dog that little could run that fast. She's fast.
She wants to do more.
You fast, ain't you, girl? Huh?
Come on.
Hey guys, we are coming to you from Chipley, Florida, and we have stayed last night in this campground. It's a state park. It's called Falling Waters State Park, and it's kind of cool because we came down this trail, and it leads to a waterfall, so it's really nice, and that's why I guess it's called Falling Waters, because the waters are falling. On the way we saw a sign that there are alligators on the trail. So I was like,
oh, no.
I want to go back. I don't want to be with
I said, no,
alligators.
come on, we're going to see the waterfall.
Yeah, so I think it's pretty safe. Pretty safe.
Yeah.
we came up to this kind of like a beach. I guess it is a beach, it's a little lake. And right next to the beach where you're supposed to swim, there's a sign. Let me show it to you. It says that there's alligators in the waterways and the trails. Johnny. Oh, see, that's what he gets. But anyway, it tells you not to be swimming with the alligators, okay? And there's a little beach right here. Who in their right mind is going to swim in that beach?
I know.
Knowing that there's alligators in it. Hello?
Hey, there's an alligator over there. Let me go swim with him.
Not me, because alligators are pretty fast in the water.
Not even crazy old me.
Right.
Okay. Hey, we are in Fallen Water State Park down here in Chipley, Florida, and we've got a campfire going here, and we've had a good time. We've been here 2 days, Julie. Tomorrow will be the third day, but we'll be leaving.
Yeah.
We'll be leaving, pulling out in the morning, headed to Panama City. But this has been a pretty neat little place here, and they've got a cave down there. I think we've got some footage of it, but we've got a campfire going here. But anyway, if you're still breathing,
There's still hope.